Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Market Trends. I'm here with another video with some of the news for discussion as well as some stocks and their comparison analysis and all that. So the first one that is to be discussed is regarding the H1B visa, suspension of H1B visa that was being discussed previously and can be seen in the news since some time. The final verdict of that has been out by the United States President of government ruling party, Mr. Trump, who has signed in an ordinance for the suspension of H1B visa by till the end of the year, and this is in regards to the COVID-19 preventions. One more thing to be noticed over here is that it won't have any effect on the present H1B visa holders who are residing presently in the United States on the visa, but it is going to affect the ones who are going to apply or migrate based on an H1B visa. So henceforth this is not going to affect the people who are already working over there on H1B status. Anyways, apart from that, if you see what is this going to impact on our Indian stock market, as this could be some significant impact on it. This is going to cause a bit of turbulence within the IT sector stocks. Not much of it, but yeah, up to an extent we can observe that it might cause a bit of turbulence over there. Next is that I have taken up a stock to discuss, that is regarding Bajaj Finance Limited, and this stock was observed to be last trading at 3,104 rupees, whereas it has shown a positivity of 263.70 points, whereas in terms of percentage it is up by 9.28%. If you look at the intraday chart of the chart for the day, we could see that it started up with a bullish point. It went up to a point, but after that it showed a bit of correction, and since the correction has been recovered, after that you can see that the stock has no limit, and we can observe that it climbed up to a great height, and this was also reported in the 5 days chart. But although with the difference between 1 day and 5 days, that in 1 day chart you could observe a steep hike in price, whereas in 5 days chart we couldn't witness the same, whereas it was gradually increasing step by step, but still there was an upward movement observed over there as well. Now coming on to the next one is regarding the same Bajaj Group stock we named Bajaj Finserv Limited. The stock last traded at 6,359.955 rupees, which is in green 176.40 points, whereas in percentage it is 2.85% up in upwards. If we look at the chart for the day, we could again we could observe that it made a high in the starting of the day itself, but after that a correction was observed, and the correction recovered up to an extent, and then the stock rallied and made a bullish point of that, and somewhere it made a good peak. Whereas if we observe the 5 days chart over here, the 5 days chart in there, we could witness that the stock was moving slowly, but slowly after that we could observe in the month of in the current month itself, and that is the Monday of the week. We could observe that it made a bullish move, and since then it has been stable. Now in the next one, we are going to compare both the stocks, that is Bajaj Finance Limited as well as Bajaj Finserv Limited. As you can see in front of your screen, there is a chart placed right over there, and the maroon color is Bajaj Finserv Limited, whereas in the blue color is the Bajaj Finance Limited. Both have been reportedly doing quite decent movement only, not much of one-way direction or something, but it was observed that previously, since a couple of days, you could observe that both the stocks were bullish enough. Yeah, I think that's it for the moment, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video and haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe my channel, as well as please hit the bell icon for timely updates on whenever I come up with another video. I hope you the very best for your future trades. Tomorrow is going to be Wednesday, and this is a monthly expiry week, so we could observe some kind of activity in it. So I hope you the very best for your future trades. Till then, take care and bye bye.